Thank you, Sam, for the overview of the palletising system. So my name is William McCall, and I'm the Area Sales Manager for OnRobot. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about OnRobot, the background and where we came from, and a little bit about how the OnRobot grippers help with the palletising application. So initially, OnRobot is a worldwide company now with R&D centres in Odense and in Budapest. We've got a global sales team, and with over 185 employees globally, we can help support our customers throughout the world. We've got an extensive R&D capabilities, and the goal is to have 30 plus products by the end of 2022. So OnRobot all started in 2015 with their RG2 and the RG6 grippers, and they made a series of acquisitions to bring on the R&D and the technology to make OnRobot what it is today. So initially it was OptoForce to bring in the hex sensor, the force torque sensor, Perception Robotics that brought in the Gecko gripper, Purple Robotics, which we've got the vacuum technology, which we'll go over today, and Blue Workforce Group, which brought in the soft gripper. And we want to expand our capabilities and expand our R&D capabilities as we go on. So the OnRobot Vision, we want to be compatible with all robots, all applications, all accessory types, and all industries. So we want to be the one-stop shop for collaborative and light industrial applications. And OnRobot enables you to build a highly versatile robotic solution. So now going into a little bit of in-depth about each of these products that we're going to go over today that would help with the palletising solution. So initially, we all started with the VG10, which is a 10 kilogram payload vacuum gripper. These have arms that can be manually adjusted to fit the orientation of the products that you're trying to pick up. It's got 2 channels, which will reduce the cycle time, and you can drop these off to help increase the productivity of the application. It's got a simple out-of-the-box deployment, which can easily clip on with our unique quick changer that fits right onto the flange of the robot. So with each of these grippers, there's no external air supply required. Like all OnRobot grippers, it's all electric-based, which means that we can get constant feedback in real time and use that in our application to make sure it is working the way it should. So from this, we got the feedback from our customers, and we wanted a more versatile and more flexible solution, which is why we bought out the vacuum gripper, the VGC10, the vacuum gripper compatible, which is a 10 kilogram payload as well. And this enables our end users and integrators to create a custom solution by building either a metal plate and arrange the vacuum cups in whatever orientation is required. Once again, no external air supply required, so it's easy to deploy, and it doesn't matter if there's no pneumatic air in your factory. And like I said, it's very small, lightweight, and it comes with adapters that can fit into small gaps. And the main one that is important for the palletising is our VGP20. So it's a 20 kilogram payload capable gripper, and that's 10 kilogram of your most porous cardboard. So this is a perfect gripper for palletising, and it actually saves up to 90% over the traditional pneumatic grippers. Once again, it's highly versatile, and it enables you to build a frame around the gripper and create whichever orientation of vacuum cups that is required. So in this case, we've actually taken out a row of the vacuum cups so it can fit the smaller box. And once again, it's got built-in intelligence, so you can read that real-time data, which would include is grip detected and what levels of vacuum are you receiving at that particular point. And yeah, once again, the whole OnRobot solution tries to make it as simple as possible to get you up and running as quickly as possible. So on the Omron TM, we've created components that allow you to quickly use the gripper straight out of the box. So a little bit of an overview of why you should choose an electric vacuum gripper over the pneumatic counterpart. You can reduce costs. We did a little bit of a study, and yeah, like I said, it was 90% maintenance and service costs throughout the year. You get real-time feedback, so you are able to know if you've either lost a box or if there's something going wrong in your application. And if something does go wrong with the gripper, or something goes wrong with your pneumatic air source, instead of having a high cost repair, and it might lead to a long lead time to get your production up and running, we're able to give you an off-the-shelf replacement from Odenta, and you can get up running straight away. And like I've said before, they're extremely easy to deploy, no verification and validation required because we've already done that, so you can get up and running with your application quickly and efficiently.